In this video we're going to look at how to calculate the number of grams of a compound required to make up a solution of a given volume and concentration. Now there's two ways you can go about this type of calculation. You can adopt a walk-through approach or you can use equations. So first let's have a look at a walk-through approach. The first question we need to ask ourselves is how many moles of potassium chloride are there in 0.1 litres of a 0.5 molar stock solution. Now we know that the stock is 0.5 molar, and as 0.5 molar is 0.5 moles per litre, we can work out the number of moles present by taking the stock concentration of 0.5 and multiplying it by the volume of 0.1 litres, and this gives us an answer of 0.05 moles. Now the next question we need to ask is how many grams of potassium chloride would make up 0.05 moles. Now we know from the question that the molecular weight of potassium chloride is 74.55 grams per mole. Therefore, 1 mole of potassium chloride would weigh 74.55 grams. However, we need 0.05 moles. Therefore, we just take the 74.55 and multiply it by 0.05, and this gives us an answer of 3.7275 grams. Now the question asks for this value to be given to 2 decimal places, so we just need to round this value and it gives us a final value of 3.73 grams. Now using an equation type approach, we know that molarity is equal to the number of moles present divided by the volume in litres. We know that the molarity of the stock is 0.5 molar. We need to calculate the moles, and we know the volume is 0.1 litres. Therefore, if we rearrange the equation and solve for moles, we get 0.5 multiplied by 0.1, which is equal to 0.05 moles. Now, the number of moles present is equal to the grams divided by the molecular weight. We know that the number of moles present in the solution is 0.05, and this is equal to the number of grams divided by the molecular weight as 74.55 grams. Therefore, the number of grams present is equal to 0.05 multiplied by 74.55, and this gives us an answer of 3.7275 grams. Now the question asks for this value to be given to 2 decimal places, so we just need to round this value and it gives us a final value of 3.73 grams. And that's it. That's how you work out the number of grams of compound required to make up a solution of a given volume and concentration.